Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The definitions of the different types of noun. First, noun. Noun is the name of a place, person, thing, or a process. For example, Uzma, Karachi, country, examination, etc. Uh, Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a thing which can neither be seen nor be touched. It can just be felt as love, hatred, humanity, etc. Concrete noun. Concrete noun is the name of a person, place, or thing that has physical existence, that can be seen, that can be touched. For example, chair, man, boy, pen, etc. Count noun. Count noun is the name of the thing that can be counted numerically, that can be counted in number, in 1, 2, 3. For example, chair, boys, girls. We can say three boys, we can say three girls, we can say two chairs, etc. Non count noun. Non count noun is the name of the things which cannot be counted in numbers. For example, hair, furniture, rice, milk, etc. Next is material noun. Material noun is the name of a thing out of which the other things can be made. For example, milk, milk, gold, silver, etc. Common thing, person, or place is called common noun. For example, girl, boy, country, city, etc. Proper noun. The name of a specific person, place, or thing is called proper noun. For example, Burewala, Lahore, Pakistan, Uzma, Tahir, etc. Next, collective noun. Collective noun is the name of the things, person, or places when they are combined together but is counted as one entity. For example, student, when students are combined, they are merged into class, and class is one entity. Similarly, men, and when men are combined, they are formed into committee. Similarly, player, when players are combined, they are formed into a team. Compound noun. Compound noun actually is the combination of two words or more than two words, but is used for one entity or for one thing. For example, football. Football are two nouns, but as a result, it is meant into one entity. One entity is just football. Dining room. Dining room are two words, but as a result, we see only one room. Uh, when the compound nouns are made plural, it is seen which of the two words is root word, and the root words are made plural. For example, sister-in-law. Now, sister is the root word, not in-law. So it will, the plural of sister-in-law will be sisters-in-law. Similarly, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, because mother is the root word. Dining room, room is the root word. So dining rooms, maid servant, servant is the root word. So it will be maid servants. Thank you very much.